agus fáilte arás go Gaeilge i mochroigaeilge. Hello and welcome back to Irish in my heart. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. Today I have a few, 20 phrases or words that we say every day. And if not every day, then very often. You don't say them every day, don't criticize me.
I don't know what you say. This is what I say a lot, so
without further ado, let's get started. The first phrase, and I definitely say this every day, and I think most people say this every day. If you don't, then props to you, because it's really hard to go a day without saying this. As humans, we don't know everything, okay? Níl a is ogam. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Níl a is ogam. Kinse. Sure. Certainly. Kinse. Cada tá cear. What's wrong? Or if you want to say, what's wrong with you? Cada tá cear leat. Cada tá cear. Ní arna mé ein rud inniu. I didn't do anything, or I did nothing today. Ní yarna mé ein rud inniu. Go back, rewind the clocks a year. Wouldn't have used it too much, but definitely using it a lot more now in quarantine. Tá brón orm. I'm sorry. Tá brón orm. Ceart go leor. Okay, or alright. Ceart go leor. Now this one's a little impolite, but I mean, it's definitely useful. Literally, close your mouth. Doing the veil. In English, shut up. I think it sounds cooler. Close your mouth if you want to take it slow.
Doing the veil.
Jan Jeffer. Hurry up. Jan Jeffer. Hurry up. Fan bummacha. Wait a minute. Fan bummacha. Or you can say no mate, but I just like the word bummacha because I think it's funny. Is comma. Never mind. Is comma. So we have two ways we can say this. Sílamsa go bhfuil is dóilm. I think so. Sílamsa go bhfuil is dóilm. And if you want to say the opposite, I don't think so. Ní dóilm. Ní dóilm. Sna tríthi gaire. I have no idea why I said it like that. If you want to say that you're pissing yourself laughing, usually you say I was. You don't usually say
I'm pissing myself laughing when you're doing it, because like usually you're just laughing.
People can see that. You don't need to state the obvious. I was pissing myself laughing, or I was really laughing. Bhí mé sna tríthi gaire. Sna tríthi gaire. Fiber B, no problem. Fibe B. Forfa. Perfect. Forfa. Go moleshkil. Go moleshkil. Excuse me. I beg your pardon. Go moleshkil. Excuse me. Is cuivinlum. Is cuivinlum na leighanta roof quarantine. I remember. Is cuivinlum. And the negative, I don't remember. Ní cuivinlum. Rinne mé jarmid. I forgot. Rinne mé jarmid. And if you want to say like you forgot something, for example, I forgot my phone. Rinne mé jarmid. Ma own pocket. I forgot on my phone. Ní chreidhí tú é seo. Guess what? Like we would say in English, or you won't believe this. That's the direct translation. Ní chreidhí tú é seo. Now, unfortunately, these days I can't remember the last time I said guess what, because I never have exciting news. But one day I will say this again. And the last one, which definitely I think that everybody says, if not every day, maybe every second day. Leis an iirine ará. Literally, with the truth to say. And in English, to be honest. Leis an iirine ará. So sin é, tasúlagam gur winches sult as na vocal agus na habertí seo. So that's it. I really hope that you enjoyed these words and phrases. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite one was, or maybe a new one you learned. I would like to give a shout out to my patrons. Thank you so much for your support. Gora mila mai agaibh. And if you want to become a patron, the link is in the description and should be up here. If you're not already, then go follow me on Instagram. I post extra Irish content on there. Thank you so much for watching. Gora mila mai agaibh agus slán live.
Off!
Jan Jeffer. I don't... Tasúlagam. So sin é in these. So